Okay, I had to share this quick video with you guys. I was just out digging, and I'm where the cover crop, so you can see the line back there behind me. This is the cover crop where the goats grazed here recently, and here's a shovel of soil from that, you know, roots from the millet, etc. And it's very hard probably to see in the video, but this soil underneath the root zone from the first few inches is quite moist. There's actually, it's amazing tilt to it, and it's actually quite moist. Now if you come over here, and you can follow me, see here, see where it hasn't been grazed, and take a scoop of soil here, and it's remarkably drier. There's a little moisture down there, but not much. Where the plants have matured more, there's actually less soil in there. Anyway, surprised the heck out of me. I guess the grazing process allows those plants to stay vegetative longer and perhaps take less out of the soil. I don't know, you know, it's not exactly scientific. It's a bit qualitative and experiential, but it's quite interesting. I mean, you could see here the millet here is, you know, headed out and gone reproductive. And whenever a plant goes reproductive, it starts to senesce, and it takes the resources from in the soil and starts to deposit minerals and sugars and carbohydrates and things like that, proteins, etc., in the seeds. And actually, I don't know whether you can see that, those little tiny things on the end there are the anthers. I believe they're the anthers. I'm not a super plant guy, but anyway, it's pollinating. But whereas if you go over here where they grazed it down before, and you could even do it after it's gone vegetative, and you can see some of these that have been grazed are starting to do that very thing now. But you can see this difference in size of the plants. You can probably also see the difference in color, how much darker green it is out here. Anyhow, these are just a little tidbit things we're learning out here. I mean, it's pretty amazing actually what we can do out here in the desert. I mean, I say desert because we're 6 to 10 inches of rainfall, and you know, it comes largely over the winter. We had a pretty good spring this year, but it's very hopeful. It's pretty amazing when you look around here. Probably hard to see from the video. You can see in the background the dry grass. There's not a lot of green around here this time of the year, and so, you know, to have such a green oasis is just, it's just amazing to see what we can do with animals. And when we change our goals and our perspectives a little bit, and we decide, hey, you know, we don't need to take everything out of the soil and put it into a cereal and haul it away, but instead, why don't we grow a diverse multi-species crop, particularly here annuals, to regenerate the soil, to put back and to recycle with those animals and let those ruminants put biology back into the soil. Sure, we haul some away in meat, but it's interesting. It'll be awesome to see how it progresses. So anyway, that's just a little bit off the cuff from me out here on a Sunday afternoon, just enjoying life. Thanks guys, have a great week, bye.